In today's graduation of 233 seniors of the 45th batch of the PNP Academy, the Commander-in-Chief enjoined the newest crop of police officers to work with service and protecting the public in mind above all. Everything else, to include recognition or climbing up the ranks, are secondary and mere distractions. Likewise, he urged his newest police officials to step up, familiarize and immerse themselves digitally to meet the challenges of cybercrime and white-collar crimes on the rise. Our Patrick De Jesus has the full story.
From more than 200 graduating cadets of the PNPA, a 24-year-old Lian Batangas native, Police Cadet Maria Camille Cabasis, was hailed valedictorian of Layag Diwa class of 2024. She was a working student before, while finishing her first degree in BS Criminology, selling steam bands or siopaw, as well as a part-time duplicator in a photocopy center. And nothing came easy when Cabasis entered the academy, given the fact the pandemic struck during that time.
Mula nung unang araw ng aming cadetship, hindi naging madali ang buhay. May mga gabi na hindi kami nakakatulog, may mga oras na gusto naming umiyak ngunit hindi maaari. May mga oras na kailangan naming tiisin ang gutom, pagod, puyat. Pero ang lahat na ito ay nagbunga at ngayong araw, dito namin naanihin ang aming pinaghirapan.
Her gender did not also factor in her success as she finished top of her class.
Para po sa kaalaman ng lahat, dito po sa Philippine National Police Academy, kung ano po ang ginagawa ng isang lalaki, ay gayon din ang ginagawa naming mga babae. Dito po namin napatunayan na hindi lamang kami basta babae lamang, kundi babaeng may magagawa para sa lipunan. At isa ang maging inspirasyon sa aming mga kapwa kabataan at mga kababaihan.
Meanwhile, the class salutatorian, Cadet Jomar Saldavia, chose the BJMP, and he aims to have huge contribution on the process of reintegration of persons deprived of liberty or PDLs back into the mainstream.
Yung BJMP yung naging first choice ko kasi isa akong scholar ng Catholic school, and I know one way to pay back to those benefactors na behind sa success ko is pagtulong din sa kanila through the reintegration process ng mga preso natin. Kasi yung mga preso natin is sila yung mga madalas nakakalimutan at na hindi nabibigyang pansin. It would be my pride na makita na once they serve their sentence, may pagbabago na nangyayari.
Earlier today, a total of 233 cadets of the PNPA Layag Diwa class of 2024 formally graduated into lieutenant officers. President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. led the commencement exercises held in Camp Castañeda, Silang, Cavite. His message, do not focus in moving up their ranks, but assure giving quality service to every Filipino.
Let me remind you that your career should not be measured by the speed you have moved up the ranks alone, but by the quality of the service that you have given to our people. The service you are about to consecrate your life to is not a race to collect insignia nor accumulate prized assignments. It is to do as much good as often to as many without expecting any reward in return, because service itself is our reward.
The challenge of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. to the newly graduated cadets of PNPA Layag Diwa class of 2024, maximize the use of technology in the performance of their duty.
Most of you were born when the internet was no longer in its infancy, and you were shaped to be tech-savvy, digital natives. So I challenge you to leverage that technology that you are familiar with as aids in protecting and serving our people, especially in battling cybercrime. I ask you to embrace smart policing, fire prevention, and penology. The fight against crime is now a potent mix of gadgets and war rooms and old-fashioned grunt work by gritty police officers. To those who will join the BFP and the BJMP, I expect you to maximize IT to improve your service deliveries while minimizing the cost.
From the Layag Diwa class, 199 will enter the Philippine National Police, 12 in the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology, as well as in the Bureau of Fire Protection. Patrick De Jesus from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.